This would be used to get everybody in court.
How can I help you?
I need an explanation for why my mom paid this month's rent, but y'all decided to go in there and clean all of the important stuff out. I have baby pictures in there. My mom has certificates in there. We have important stuff in there, and we paid the rent. Okay. And it's still not September 1st, but the apartment is already remodeled. So I need an explanation now because we've contacted a lawyer, and you guys are getting sued.
Okay.
So this needs to be a part of that.
Okay. So,
what's the explanation?
So my understanding was that the keys were turned in by her last month.
No.
Okay.
My mom has a money order for the rent that was paid here.
Mm-hmm.
So explain that. A money order from July 31st to September August 31st.
Right. So I'm looking into it on that end. I'm not sure. My understanding was that she had turned in keys.
No, the rent was paid.
I understand that.
I need to understand what's going on. Where's the keys at? Do you have the keys?
Into the unit. That unit has already been.
Exactly. And the rent is paid.
So am I going to get a chance to talk, or
yes.
should I just reclose the
Yes.
door? Okay. Perfect. So as I stated, we're looking into the situation. My understanding was that she turned in keys to the unit, at which point the unit was then considered to be vacated.
So what about if the rent is paid? You're not answering
that.
That
money will be refunded to her.
That is not an option.
It is an option.
No, it's not. The month is over.
It doesn't matter. From when she paid, the money would be refunded from when she turned in keys.
She already had. Hold on, I'm gonna open the door because he's the one who has it.
Okay.
He's the one who has the keys. He has everything.
Hi. Yes, sir.
How are you?
I am good. And yourself?
Good. What's your name?
My name's Alicia.
Alicia.
Yes, sir.
So, when did you guys change the stuff in unit?
So I'm looking into that right now as well to figure out exact dates and such. My understanding was that they turned in keys to the unit at the beginning of this month in August.
Where's the keys? Right here.
We have the keys.
Well, what keys were turned in? Let me see, Joe. The keys were right there.
Hold on. So, if anybody was going to turn the keys in, that would be me or Alexis.
Okay, and so my understanding is that Alexis turned in keys for the unit.
Alexis.
And then that was when the unit was considered vacant.
Hold on.
I remember that.
Hold on.
It's in 303.
Right.
But the keys are right here on the keychain.
His keys.
No, we only have two keys. We have two keys. Two keys.
I have them both.
Right here.
Alexis doesn't have a key.
Okay, well, the key was turned into us by Alexis to my former assistant manager.
No,
Hold on.
it wasn't.
Hold on
This
one
is
second.
false information,
I
and the preserve is lying.
Hold on.
Okay.
Alexis, when did you turn in the keys to these guys?
I didn't turn in the keys. She knows she lying.
Okay.
I never turned in.
So
Okay.
the reason why I'm saying that is that I went, the email and everything that you guys sent, the correspondence, we have them. We will have up until the end of this month. I went to Walmart and paid the rent up to the end of this month. We have our stuff in there. I have both keys.
Both keys.
So if anybody was going to turn in any keys, that would be me, not Alexis. Because she don't have any keys to turn in.
Right, so I understand that, and I am not sure what happened. This is something that happened with my now former assistant manager. I'm figuring out this information today. So she doesn't work here anymore.
It doesn't matter.
They tore out the rooms.
That doesn't matter.
No, I understand.
All our stuff
That
is
doesn't
gone.
matter.
100%, and I
I
understand.
have 2 shoes left.
That doesn't
So
matter.
I understand, like I'm saying to you, I'm working on figuring out on my end what happened because this was not something that I was a part of. So my understanding was that I was told by her, she told maintenance that keys were turned in and that unit was vacant to trash it out and to go ahead and get ready with the make ready process. That was what she was told.
Okay, where are the keys?
So
where are the keys?
the keys are,
What key? Where are the keys?
Where are
at?
the
we
keys?
have a copy of the keys.
That's not the original
You're gonna
keys.
have- you're gonna-
I'm
you're
not
gonna-
gonna-
you're
we're not
have
gonna
the
do
Do you understand that valuable
I
things
do
were taken
understand.
out of the apartment?
I do understand.
I have things in there that are important. You're not closing any door, and we're staying here. The fuck?
Relax.
You guys are lying. You're lying. You're lying. You're sitting here lying. That's how valuable the stuff is that y'all threw away. Do you understand? Not only are you getting sued for the apartment, you're getting sued for emotional damage. Do you understand? The stuff is valuable. I don't care. You guys, and this is for the court so the judge knows how much I'm hurt about the things. All you guys are responsible. I don't care if it was a former anything. You're responsible now. The heck? All you, and you guys are sitting here lying. Yes, you are. Pull out the keys. Pull out the keys. Pull out the keys.
I just need her to either stop screaming or to walk away.
No, call the police then.
Have this conversation with you, and this
So-
is
I don't care.
I don't understand how we give a 60-day notice, we pay our rent. We have, okay,
No,
so
I understand.
we have, you give us, there is notification on both parties. We
Right.
all have an understanding of when that 60 days is up.
No, absolutely.
And then rent is paid
Right. So like I'm saying,
up until the end of this month. Today is the 27th, and from my understanding, that work usually takes anywhere from 3 to 5 days to do,
Correct.
which brings it about last week is when that stuff was torn apart. So how do you go into a unit that is one paid for, two, you haven't given us any notification of anything?
Nothing.
Because even in the case where if we were defaulting, let's just say we didn't pay shit, right, and then we're defaulting, we still have property there.
Exactly.
Under an eviction law, we are entitled
no, absolutely.
to
Exactly.
receive notification. How
Exactly.
do you go into a unit and
How?
there's all that stuff in there, and they didn't click on anybody to say that, hey, we are coming to work here, so come and get your shit out?
They didn't file a legal
I
eviction.
understand. And
How do you guys do that?
I understand. Like I said, I'm looking into it still on my end. It's brand
Mm-hmm.
new.
Record.
It's brand new for me. So I'm still trying
What's
to
your
figure
name?
out this situation
Jose.
as a
Jose
whole.
what?
Jose
So,
Pina.
I'm not
Pina?
sure.
P-I-N-A, yep.
I'm not sure what happened. As I stated, my assistant manager informed us that keys were turned in, that the unit was vacant, and to go ahead and move forward with that process.
What's your assistant
I
manager's
apologize. Her name is Riley Shaw.
Riley Shaw.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
when was she the last
So,
manager? What was the last day of her
last
employment?
day was Friday.
Friday.
Yes, ma'am.
So that was
So-
only maybe 4 days ago.
Yes. So, like I said, I'm still trying to figure out what the situation is. My understanding was that Alexis had left, and that we were to go ahead and move forward with trashing out the unit, that the items that were in there were abandoned, and to move forward at that point.
Abandoned?
So,
You-
as
you-
I'm saying,
But you received rent for
August.
For the
so
month.
yes, I understand that, and that's what I'm saying. So, I was not aware that the rent was paid for the month. This was something that
I have the receipt in my car right now.
That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that I was not aware that the rent was paid in full up until today.
So
that's
do you
what I'm
guys
saying.
not go and check?
So we did go.
You received a 60-day notice where Riley Robinson signed the 60-day notice, which I have proof of.
Right, and I
mean,
totally
I'm
understand
filing
that.
a lawsuit.
100%.
You guys are getting sued.
I understand that.
You're gonna get
So-
served.
There's some
As
of the
I said,
things, see, the stuff that really bothers me is
100%.
the fact that some of the things that they trash, you can't put value
You
on
can't.
it.
No, I understand
Baby
that.
Because
pictures,
even
elementary school certificates,
if I tell you
don't understand.
that
Y'all don't
I
understand.
have 2 pairs of shoes left.
You don't get it.
That's all I have left.
But the assistant called
I
me
can
and
tell
said
you I
this
had
apartment
10
is
years and
vacant, so
then
for
you
this
buy
reason
them.
I go, it's
But
not
No
there's
double
without
checking.
respecting.
A baby
No going
picture,
through.
a birth
You
certificate,
can't go through
a-
things
a
like
college
that.
transcript.
I
You
understand.
trash it all.
Yes, sir.
And it's
So-
just
So the
gone.
company for trash out, yep.
I
So
understand.
illegal eviction, no
I
notice,
understand.
no
Not
anything.
illegal eviction.
It
We
is
were
an
under the-
illegal eviction.
No, so
It
we were under
is.
the impression, we were told
Absolutely is.
that the
You guys
unit was
collected
vacant.
rent.
That's different. We were told
Why
the unit
why
was vacant.
didn't you go through and look through paperwork and double check as a manager? Why did you not do
Because
that?
it was not, the process had already been begun before I came on.
So there's no double
that's what I'm
checking,
saying.
there's no anything. So
No,
when
what I'm
a
saying to you
management
is that
changes
I'm
management,
looking into it now on my end. There's no management.
Okay, well,
management. I came in and
I
the
just
system had
can't.
already begun.
I just can't,
So
can't
I'm working-
understand
No.
that
I-
you
no.
know how there are laws
No.
in this country.
No.
Even if somebody vacated, look, even if somebody vacated a place, right? I understand that, like. Until the keys are 10. That's why I don't understand, because
The
I
keys
have,
are
I
right
have
here.
both keys.
the keys are right
I
here.
am the
So
only-
Riley
explain
say
that.
somebody bring back the key
She
here.
wanted to come and get her stuff,
Do you
but
not
because I
understand
was
that?
at work and I had the keys, she couldn't come. Yesterday, I passed through to come grab a water dispenser. We had a fully furnished apartment.
Yeah.
We had taken some clothes from the bedrooms, but the living room, the kitchen, everything was still in there. How do you get into an apartment like that and nothing clicks and you don't call anybody?
Nothing.
And all of a sudden just
let me
trash
tell
anything.
you, on our end, I cannot tell you how many units are left half fully furnished.
Has nothing
and
to do with us.
No, but I understand that in
Nothing.
this situation. But there are often times that units are just abandoned with items in them, with personal belongings,
That has
with all of those
nothing.
things.
You send
So,
notices.
as
You
I
send
stated-
emails.
Yes, I understand. So as I stated,
And the rent was paid.
I am still looking into the situation. I am trying to figure out what happened and what went wrong. I do not have an answer for you today. I do not have your items. I do not have a way to get
And you
your
don't
items.
have,
Okay.
you don't know
I
where
don't
they sent
have-
those things to?
No, I don't have any of those things. I do not
You
know.
cleaned the apartment out.
We
Where's it
haven't-
at?
No,
No,
it's-
I know.
You
clean.
just said you
it's-
remember.
We have a
Yeah, I
trash
remember
company
the
that
apartment,
comes
but I
out.
called the company for trash
So
out.
trash
let me
company
say,
comes-
let me hear that. Hold on. What'd you say?
I called the company for
Okay.
trash out.
So
It's a
you're
process.
also a part of this.
Yeah, but no, it's my problem. My problem is fix the apartment. That's it.
That's it.
But you
So I'm not
called the
working for
company.
the.
Yes,
Yeah,
because
I
we
am
trash
maintenance
out
supervisor, but
apartments all the
supposed
time.
to
What
be
company did you call?
So again,
What is the name of the company?
it would have been
Alvarado Solution is
yeah,
the name of the
to
company.
trash it out.
Empado?
Alvarado.
Alvarado.
Alvarado Solutions.
Yes, sir. Or
And,
yes,
It's a
ma'am.
company
and how
I
long
use
ago
here.
exactly did you guys clean out
I
the
don't
unit?
know. I'm looking into
So you
that
guys
right
have
now.
no recollection of anything?
Ma'am, you yelling at me is not going to get us
Nothing.
anywhere.
Nothing.
It's not gonna
You
get us
have no
anywhere.
recollection of anything.
No, I
You
don't.
guys are breaking the law.
We are not.
Yes, you are.
But that's fine.
How is this legal?
Okay.
Explain
so
to me how
again,
this is legal.
as I was told,
How is this legal?
that the unit was
What
vacant.
proof do you have?
I'm
Have
working on
physical
getting that proof
I
together.
need paperwork.
Okay.
I need physical
And I
physical
can
keys.
provide that paperwork.
We have the keys.
But at the moment, I do not have that paperwork for you.
Okay,
So
well
as
then
I
we are
said-
more than welcome
Yeah, I
to
got
wait.
my-
This is
I
priority.
have
This
the
is
key
going to
here.
not be a
No,
situation
Okay.
where I
the
can
thing
just
is
get it
that
for you in half a second.
Every apartment,
Every apartment have the
has,
copy.
have
So-
a copy to a unit.
Yes, of
but
course.
the ones that you gave us, look,
I
this is
understand
the
that.
mailbox key. And this is the
door.
main door key.
So what keys
and
were
guess
turned in?
what?
What keys were turned in?
Yesterday there was a notice on the door about an inspection. How do you put an inspection notice on an apartment that is already vacated and you have
How do
trashed
you put an
everything out?
inspection?
That
Make
apartment-
that make sense.
So
How do you put
all
an inspection?
notices get posted to all doors, regardless if the unit is vacant or not. They get posted, something like
Whether
that.
somebody lives in it or not.
Yes, because that inspection notice is a property-wide inspection that we're
My
doing
keys
for units.
were-
So,
the locks are changed.
yes, the
I
locks
am
are
still
changed.
legally today, as of the 27th.
Yes,
Uh-huh.
I
So we
am
need
still
keys.
legally a resident of that unit.
So we
Somebody
need
else
keys.
is in that unit.
We need keys.
Oh, so
No.
I paid you, you trash my stuff
like
out,
I said,
and
that
then you bring somebody
can be
in whilst
refunded
I
at
still
that
have the
point.
rent that is with you.
Yes, and so that is a mistake that was made by
Illegal
my assistant
mistake.
manager.
An illegal
And
mistake.
so therefore, like
Wait, hold on.
I
Let me
said,
ask one more question that we're gonna need in court.
I
How
can
many
have-
keys? How many keys do you guys give to each tenant for each apartment?
one set of keys to the
Which is
resident.
how many? 2?
It would be one house key and one mailbox
One-
key.
And one mail. And
This
how
is
many
the-
keys do we have right
I
here?
have the mailbox
How
key
do we
here,
have the keys
and then I
if we
have
turned in
and
the
then the
keys?
spare that
Yes,
will
because
be.
we have
I have the
keys.
spare in my
You do have a copy.
Yes, we do.
How do we have the keys if we
people
turn
that
them
live
in?
this
So I'm
apartment
saying
has
to
any
you,
key. I have
I was
both of them.
3 weeks ago, it started for the
I
trash out
understand
in this
that.
apartment. I don't know for what, but it's maybe 2 or 3 weeks ago.
They're just in a hurry to get an illegal in there.
Exactly. Illegal
Because-
immigrants.
because-
Illegal immigrants.
This is-
And that's another thing that we're bringing
God
up in
forbid.
court.
God forbid. Yesterday when I tried to open the door with my key, God forbid, I go in, put my key in a unit, and then somebody comes out with a gun because I'm trespassing and I'm trying to
Exactly.
open their door. What do you think would have happened yesterday?
What would have happened?
Just human to human.
Sure, we're not.
Tell me the truth.
I
That-
understand
what
what
do you think
you're
would have
saying.
happened
We're not going
yesterday?
to talk in hypotheticals. So at the moment, I do not have the documentation that you need. At which point I can provide. I am working on gathering, and we can move forward from there.
Oh,
No, we're
have-
moving
As it
forward
stands-
with the
have some of the stuff
lawsuit.
that you
And that's
signed.
fine. So when I am subpoenaed, I
You
will get
will
that
be.
information
What's your name
together.
again? What's your
So
name
I'm
again?
saying-
What's your name
Come on,
again?
let's go.
That's
What's your
what I'm
name?
saying.
That's okay. I want y'all to understand something. Y'all got these smirks on y'all raggedy ass faces.
I
Guess
have no
what?
smirk
Yes,
on
you
my
do.
face.
My stuff was
This is a
thrown away,
serious
and this is
situation.
illegal.
And I am
You guys,
sorry
not
that
only are you
happened.
guys housing
But you
illegal
screaming at me and my
immigrants,
face is not
we
going
will bring
to
that
help.
up in court. You guys are housing
No.
illegal immigrants tenants from all over the country here. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
We have been turning the keys.
Okay, then you will be subpoenaed too. They'll figure it out. The heck?
The only person that could turn the keys in.
I'm just gonna let you know that you guys are being served and you guys will all be in court. So you will see us soon. Absolutely. And not only are we suing for the damage that you guys did, you guys are being sued for also emotional damage. All of you guys. And all y'all's teeth are dirty as fuck and y'all need a floss. Dirty ass niggas. Fuck is you talking about?